Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to make the quintessential Irish drink, the Irish coffee with Bushmills whiskey. For Irish coffee, you need to use good Irish whiskey. I am using Bushmills whiskey, which is from the oldest whiskey distillery in Ireland. I will also need some single cream, which is also called pouring cream. Whisk it a bit before using it for the recipe. That's the cream ready now. Let's make some good strong coffee. Put some coffee in a jug. Pour hot water into it. Give it a stir and the coffee is ready. Put 2 teaspoons of brown sugar in a coffee glass. Now we will add around 25 milliliters of Bushmills whiskey into the glass. And give it a good stir to dissolve the sugar. Now let's pour the coffee into the glass. We need to leave some space at the top for the cream. A bit more coffee. And now we are going to pour the cream into the coffee like I am doing here with the help of a spoon. As you can see, some of the cream is slowly going down while some of it is settling at the top. And our lovely Irish coffee is ready. Serve with a biscuit. Irish coffee is a favorite after dinner drink, especially in the winter. Enjoy!